Hi, everybody. Welcome. I'm Lisa, and welcome to Junk Journal Gems. I have a fabulous flip through for you today of this beautiful lady with her lovely roses across her hair and that she's holding in her hand. This is a journal that I have made using a envelope for the cover. It's been lined on the inside and it has been covered with laces and trims from the Crafty Me shop, as well as a chenille ruffle, these beautiful shabby chic roses. You just can't not fall in love with her. So let's measure her. She measures about 9.5 high by 6 inches wide, and I'd say her thickness is about 2 inches, and that's with her being closed up pretty tight. The closure is a Tim Holtz pin with a piece of cotton, and we'll set that to the side so we can take a peek at her. This is again what the front looks like and what the back looks like with the coffee dyed. And then we'll go inside. It's lined with this coffee dyed beautiful fabric. Gives a real vintage look to it. Some crocheted trim, coffee dyed papers. These are all handmade envelopes with tags that are images from a what do you call it? Oh my goodness, I'm going to totally go blank. I'll think of it. But it is images from a ladies' magazine. And this is a digital from Lorna Taylor from Tailor Made Journals. Aren't these images adorable? So it's got some collage on the front here. Here's another image from, I think you call it the Gothies magazine. Godey's. That's it, Godey's magazine. I knew that wasn't quite right. Image of a coal receipt. Text in this beautiful pocket, and there's an image back here. A book page from a school memories book. More trims here. A vintage doily. I love the texture on this, and it's so soft. Here we have a pocket that you can see through the lace. Some more of that fabric, and inside is another one of the beautiful images of these Victorian ladies. Here are a couple more pockets with little spots to journal and some tags inside. There's also spots to put tags in the back, should you prefer. However, she's getting a little chubby, so I thought I better not go any more crazy than I already had. Here's another one of those images from the Godey's book. And in the pocket, we have a rental certificate and a French letter inside. And this is how they used to fold them up and actually send their mail with a wax seal on them. I'm gonna close that later so you don't have to watch me try to fumble doing it, because I can never do it when I'm on camera. Here's some die cuts on the back of this vintage music paper. Some stamping of some stitching throughout. Here is an old vintage envelope from 1937 with a card inside. And you can write on the inside of that, lots of writing space there. But I love how these colors play off each other. More stamping, an Edith Holden page. some vintage ledger. Look at this writing. I just love that. 1903. Another Godey's book page. Look at those hats. Just gorgeous. Some more chiffon ribbon. This is a journaling card that comes off a rusty owl clip, and there's little tags inside. You can journal on the back. Image of an adorable little girl. Look at the little Dutch bonnet. This opens up for more tags in here. Another matching there. And this opens up further. And in here you have some tickets. This is an actual ticket. And some ephemera in the pockets here. An image of a antique calling card. There's a lot of journaling space in this journal. I love this too. There's a strip here that's been collaged on some receipt paper, cash register receipt paper. Another Godey's image. Here's a photograph here behind a little tuck. There's another little tuck here. Inside here we have a flower image. Here's the other side of the doily, some more of that fabric trim. Here's a little shabby chic flower. More Godey's images. I went a little crazy on the Godey's images. I love them so much, but this one's fun. This is all of bathing dresses. Can you imagine? You'd want to hang out in the water to stay cool with one of those on. And there is the end of this lovely journal. This will be in my Etsy shop. Feel free to take a look at Junk Journal Gems. Thank you so much for joining me.